We all know the importance of Chanakya. He helped the great Chandragupta Maurya to establish the Maurya Empire. He is a great strategist, political and economical expert. His famous book Chanakya Nidhi is a great source of wisdom that can be used as for our success. It has 17 long chapters. For this video, I have taken best teachings from that book that will give you the best strategy to win in every situation. Number 1. Whoever helps you at the time of illness, misfortune, famines, and invasion is your true brother in the real sense. In the above quotation, what Chanakya is trying to say is that we all have hundreds of friends in our social medias, work, and from our neighborhoods. But are they really our true friends? When they came to our rescue when we were in trouble? The real friend is one who helps us when we are in need, not the one who always hanging out with us. Know the difference. Quote number 2. A person who cannot decide his goals simply cannot win. In this quote, the Chanakya tells us that if you want to be successful, you have a well-defined goal. Have a better clarity in your goal helps you to achieve them easily. Quote number 3. A person must stay away from the person who acts as flatterer in front of you but speak ill behind your back. They cause you irreparable damage. Such friendship is like a poisonous milk. One must simply stay away from such person. In the above quotes, what Chanakya trying to say is that we have to careful about this kind of people. They seem to be good because everyone likes flattery. But in a long run, their friendship will damage ourselves. Choose your friends wisely. Course number 4. Always keep your biggest plan as a secret. The simplest suggestion is to continue the task without grabbing much attention. Take the example of these successful companies, Apple and Tata Motor. When the Steve Jobs launched the iPhone, everyone was surprised because the world has never thought of this kind of phone would possible. Because they kept it secret and started to work quietly, it was a huge success. But take a look at the Tata Motors Nano car. It was an ambitious project of Tata. He decided to build this car for a good cause. He announced about the project too early without any final product. Then the people started to talk about it. It created unwanted criticism and expectation among people. So it is better to keep your big projects for yourself. Keep working on it and only reveal to others when the time is right. Quote number 5. A wise person grooms his child carefully because an educated person with high morale is given true respect in society. We all know how a spoiled child can cause more harm to the reputation of his father. Quote number 6. Excess of beauty result in the kidnapping of Sita. Extreme ego of Ravana got him killed, and unnecessary charity caused massive trouble to Raja Bali. Extremes are never good. In the above quotes, Chanakya tells us that don't try to overdo things. Put an adequate amount of effort needed for a work. Try to know how much is needed for every work. Quote number 7. The infatuation is the biggest disease. The greed is the worst enemy of an individual. Anger is the endless fire, and among all possessions, the knowledge is supreme. The above quotes, Chanakya tells us to avoid anger, envy, greed, and infatuation because this prevent one from seeing the true nature of a person. A biased view can cause lot of turmoil in one's life. And he also emphasizes the importance of knowledge. He knows the importance of knowledge, that knowledge is the key to the success. Quote number 8. The test for purity of gold is perfumed by rubbing, heating, pounding, and cutting. Similarly, the true character of a person is revealed at the time of intense trouble. His manner, his voice, and actions will reveal a lot about him. People talk something and do other things. It is quite natural. But if you want to know their true character, observe how they handle difficult situation. People can act sometimes, but they can't act all the time. So it is better to observe the people when they are in a difficult situation and see how they react to it. And this will tell us the real character of that person. Quote number 9. Reigning over the ocean, helping the capable, and lighting a lamp in daylight are nothing but useless act. In the above quotes, what Chanakya tells us that to avoid unnecessary charity and also avoid unnecessary dedication of our valuable time for unimportant things. This can save the time and we can do some useful work. Quote number 10. You can win a greedy by offering money, a proud person by pretending your devotion. You can win a fool by agreeing with him, and you can win a scholar by truth and only truth. Here the Chanakya talks about the characteristics of different people and how to deal with them, and urges us to be wise and fell for the above things. Quote number 11. If you are facing loss in the business or your heart is broken, don't share such information with others. One must not discuss scandals of a family and incidents of insult. People often try to exploit your weakness. Beware. Here, Chanakya warns us about the things that can be used against us. So, we must be very careful about the information we share with others. Number 12. You must be shameless while learning, negotiating in business, having a food. Here he talks about gaining new knowledge and also gave the emphasis on the negotiation. Always don't shy to negotiate in our life. Negotiation gives us better option. Quotes number 12. A relaxed mind is happiest. Running after money all the times is simply foolish. Here the Chanakya is talking about importance of the relaxed mind over the money. Lot of people thinks that money is everything. Money is all. But it is not like that. Mind is the important thing. Because the relaxed and calmed mind help us to see things in a much more different way than the confused mind, which helps us to get a clarity of the situation, and we can solve that problem simply. Keep our mind relaxed. We must at least meditate daily for 5 minutes. Keeping our mind under control, it can help us to deal with every life situation calmly, and also which gives us a clarity to make judgment and solution for every problem in our life. Quote number 13. One who overspends money without planning, one who provokes the stronger opponent, the one who desires a relationship with all kinds of women will definitely meet a quick distraction. Here the Chanakya talks about the reason for the downfall of a successful person. We all see this in every day of life, how the businessmen made fortunes from their hard work over the years and lost the same fortune in a day. One must not afraid of future, nor shall regret upon the past, Wise men concentrate on utilizing the present to frame a brighter future. The past is gone and future is yet to come. What left for us is the present moment. Don't waste it. Use it for our success. Quote number 15. The nature of noble person is quite strange. That is, instead of acting arrogant upon attaining wealth, they bow down in humility and act more modestly and respectfully. Here, the Chanakya advises us to be modest even though we are successful. Quote number 16. You can earn money after losing it. You can make new friends. And also you can get another wife. But it is not the case with the body. Here the Chanakya gave the emphasis to the health of our body. The health is the real wealth. Here he reminds us to the importance of the health. Have a healthy lifestyle even though we are busy. Applying the above principles from the book of Chanakya Nidhi, we can win in every aspect of our life.